Hey everyone, I'm Matthew Ramsden, and today I'll be giving a quick overview of getting started on Lightning Service Provider integration in your Swift iOS app powered by LDK Node. I have a full open source example iOS app called Monday, built in Swift and SwiftUI, that we will use to see how the LDK Node LSP integration works. Lightning relies on a network of payment channels facilitating nearly instant low-fee transactions. However, it comes with its own set of challenges, particularly around obtaining inbound liquidity. To receive a payment, a user must have a payment channel with sufficient funds on the counterparty side. So wallet developers often implement their own Lightning service provider to distribute inbound liquidity to their users. As more of them started doing that, a group of Lightning developers came together with a mission to standardize a protocol for those LSPs. This effort aimed to create a blueprint that any wallet or LSP could adopt, which would foster really great interoperability and competition. So LDK Node offers developers a lightweight and customizable Lightning Node implementation that's ideal for mobile environments, including support for specific things like LSPS2 JIT channels that help with the liquidity problem we described earlier. Here's how it works. A user requests a Lightning invoice for an incoming payment. Upon payment, the LSP intercepts the payment, opens a zeroconf channel to the user, deducts their fee, and forwards the rest of the payment to the user. This process happens almost instantaneously, removing the need for users to understand or manage liquidity themselves. Let's see how that is set up and take a look at it in action. To start, we tell LDK Node we want to source liquidity using LSPS2. And there's this function there, set liquidity source LSPS2, where we pass in the node address, the node ID, and the LSP token. So on iOS, it's very similar to that. Same function, and we pass in the same data. Next, we get an invoice we can have paid without needing to set up any channels. And we do that through this method, receive payment via JIT channel. So in the iOS app, we have that wrapped in a method here in our Lightning Node service. And where we use that in the app is our JIT invoice view and our JIT invoice view model. If we run the app, we have a fresh new wallet, no channels set up, and no sats. Now let's go ahead and grab that invoice, and we can pay that JIT invoice from MutinyNet, which will trigger the LSP to have a channel open to us. And this is great. We have sats, and we also have a channel too. So this was a quick overview of getting started on LSP integration in your Swift iOS app powered by LDK Node. I hope you found this interesting.